guys. Genty, it was me. I'm the one who took the trucks. Because you know it was my goods train. Because last time they told you to shut those. Remember? I know, I know. Here, see ya. Genty left. See ya, Genty.